Are you having trouble with focus and concentration? Would you like to learn a new strategy? Well, my favorite go-to is a mudra. But before we get into the Focus Mudra, also known as the Gyan Mudra, I'd like to go over how to channel the energy through your fingertips. So hold up your hands. We can channel all the elements with our fingers. And so when you hold up your thumbs, that represents the sun, your solar energy for activation. Think of the sun rising and setting. Now hold up your first finger, represents your air. Think of the victorious breath, breathing in and out your nose. Now, your middle finger represents the universe. I keep the other ones close by so you don't F the universe. Now, the fourth finger represents the earth. Go ahead and ground your earth fingers to the earth. Now, your pinky represents water. Remember to drink half your body weight in ounces of water each day. So, to do this Focus Mudra to help you with memory and concentration, I love it. It's good for children studying in school. It's great for adults. It's also great for our aging parents. So any age can practice this. So to do the Gyan Focus Mudra, hold up your hands. Now we're going to connect our sun finger, our activator for your solar plexus with your thumb. Connect it to the first finger for air. Your hands look like OK. Now take this and place it on the inside of your thighs. Now really feel the connection between your thumb and your first finger. And now in your mind, I want you to claim a desire. What is something that you really, really want for your life today? And think about that. Now, remember, energy flows where focus goes. So if we focus on what we don't want, we get more of that mirrored back to us throughout the day. So today, we're going to focus on what we really want for today. So choose your intention, and now we're going to seal it in with our thumb and first finger. This represents your target. Think of the circle. What's inside is what you want. Everything else doesn't matter. Now we keep that just on our inside of our thighs. Now practice breathing in and out your nose. Your victorious breath is also known as Ujjayi, or ocean breathing. So go ahead and practice the breath with your Gyan Mudra, Focus Mudra, together. So breathe in your nose, close your eyes. Exhale through your nose. Now breathe in your intention. Exhale your worries out your nose. So continue breathing in and out your nose and notice your body feeling calmer and lighter. And focus more on what you want and less on what you don't. So go ahead and subscribe for more mood elevating tips.